Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix server error 43 in Brawl Stars. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, it usually indicates a connection issue between the game server and your device. It's like when you're trying to talk to a friend, but they can hear you because the phone line is bad. The game is trying to reach its home base, but it can't make the connection. So this can happen for several reasons. Maybe your internet connection is a bit wobbly, or perhaps the Brawl Stars servers are undergoing maintenance, or are overloaded with too many players. So how to get back to brawling? So first, check your internet connection. A quick way to do this is trying to browse the web or watch a video online to see if it works. If everything else works, the problem might be on the game's end. So if your internet is all good, you might want to wait a bit. Sometimes you can also try restarting the game on the device, and it sometimes helps out. So like reset your router, reset your mobile device, check your internet connection, and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.